Hi friends, today I will show you how to prepare basic 3D model in SolidWorks software. So I choose this drawing to do the 3D model. You can see base length is 100 mm, width is 40 and height is 45 mm. Select file, click new, part, OK. Here you need to select mmgs, extrude, select plane, select normal, line, give the dimension 100, 45 height, give the horizontal. Again select dimension. This length is 30 plus 30 60 mm. Finish. Select this line and this line, give the equal. OK. Fully defined. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 40 mm. Finish. Again here center cutout is there, 30 and 25 mm depth. Select this surface, sketch, normal, select the rectangle, give the dimension 30, height is 25 mm. Here to this point 15 mm. OK. Finish sketch. Here extruded cut is there through hull. OK. Our basic part is ready. So now you can assign the material also. Select appearance. Here so many materials are there. Plastic, I am selecting metal. In that steel I am selecting. So I will select this polished steel, click double. OK. Our basic part is ready. So this is today's session, friends. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.